Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to convert PDF to PNG from URL asynchronously in C# using PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. First, open your Visual Studio editor. You can also use your favorite editor in C#. Then, enter the C# sample code. You can get the sample code in PDF.co API docs. Now, let's install the new tonesoft.json. Right-click on the reference, and select the Manage Nuggets package. Then, look up for new tonesoft.json, and install. After installing the new tonesoft.json, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, input the direct source file URL and set async to true. Once you're done setting up the code, you may now run the program. Our program runs successfully and returned the correct value. Let's check the folder to see the result. Here's the converted PNG output. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.